So guys, I'm going to start talking about the important objectives that I've explained in the video, okay? So let us first share the PowerPoint. So as you see, the important objectives are to identify and construct proportional sequences. So the word proportional is very important, and calculate the percentages. Okay, so calculate the percentages and to perform scale operation. Okay, so first of all, we explained what's the meaning of proportional, and we said that a table is said to be proportional if the proportionality coefficient is the same. So either you multiply, if you are doing from above to below, you multiply. If you are doing from below to above, you divide. So for example, 2 times 5 is 10, but 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay? What else? We said we've, for example, proved that a table is proportional and when a table is not proportional, as you see. So in this case, the proportionality coefficient is the same, so the table is proportional, while in the second one, the proportionality coefficient is not the same, so they are not proportional. Okay? Please, if you have any question, tell me right now. If you have any question, just tell me now. So if you have any question, please tell me. Wait. So this is on the book. This is on the book. Of course, this is a new lesson on the book. Anyone, please, if you have any question, ask me right now, or tell me if you want to say anything. Okay. So let us continue. Then we found a missing values inside a table. So for example, first of all, of course, you have to find the coefficient, the proportionality coefficient. Okay, so how do we guess it? We ask ourselves, what's the number you multiplied by 3 to get 15? It's 5. And then after finding the proportionality coefficient, you start finding the missing numbers by multiplying them or dividing them by the proportionality coefficient. Any question, guys? Before I continue to another thing, how we will solve it, Hassan? I told you several times that I'm putting everything you need on the PowerPoint. Everything that you need, I'm putting it's on the PowerPoint. So whenever you want to go back to the lesson, you should go back to the PowerPoint or to the worksheet. Okay? Anyone have any question on the proportionality coefficient before I continue? If everything is clear, just tell me everything is clear. If everything is clear, just tell me or write for me, please. And if you want to say anything, tell me to unmute you. Okay, Mia. So Mia is asking me about, yeah, Mia, I will give you, wait. Mia. Yes, dear. Can you hear me? Mia? Okay, I think you have a problem with the microphone. It's okay. I'm going to answer your question, okay? So you are asking me about whenever we put a fraction or we put a number. Look at this table, Amia. if I'm trying to find what's the number you multiplied by 3 to get 15, I do times 5, okay? But when I want, for example, in the last one here, okay, 60, it's not times 5 to get 12. We don't multiply the 60 by 5 to get 12. We divide 60 by 5, okay? So I divide 60 by 5. And what's 60 divided by 5? Look, I will do it for you. What's 60 divided by 5? I will put a whiteboard. Wait a minute. I will put it on the PowerPoint so you would be able to understand what I'm trying to say. Look, Mia. Here, okay? Pay attention. If I have 60, 60, okay. If I have 60 divided by 5, it's the same as 60 times 1 over 5. You should pay attention to this. Look, to divide 60 by 5, it's the same as to multiply 60 by 1 over 5. Okay? I will do it more for you. Look, if you have, for example, 60 divided by 5, 60 divided by 5, keep, switch, flip, it's 60 times 1 over 5. Okay? So, Mia, did you understand now? Please, guys, if you have any questions, just ask me right now. So divide by 5, it's the same as if you are multiplying by 1 over 5. Okay? Anyone wants to talk? Okay, let us continue. I will continue. So here, for example, we proved that this table is proportional. And here, Mia, look, 5 times 2,500 by 5, but 5,000, it's divided by 2,500. What's the meaning of divided by 2,500? It's the same as multiplying by 1 over 2,500. Because, I will do it for you, look, if you have 12,000 or 5,000 divided by, the divided, I have to insert it, it's okay, wait. If I'm dividing by 2,500, okay, it's the same as, you can keep, switch, and flip. So what's the 2,500? If I flip 2,500, I will get 1 over 2,500. Okay, is it clear, guys? So to divide by 2,500, it's the same as multiplying by 1 over 2,500. Okay? Let us see if you have any question regarding this. I didn't put a whiteboard. I'm explaining here on the PowerPoint, okay? You have to see the PowerPoint. I'm explaining here, okay? So okay, great, Mia, great. So Adam, Hayek, you are telling me that you didn't understand this question. Adam, I know that you love football so much, okay? I will give you the, I will put unmute for you, okay? Adam. Okay, Adam. Adam, are you listening to me? Adam, you can talk now.
The
I know
first
that you
one.
love. I know that you love football so much, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
انت مش حاططها
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. If the price of two footballs is 5,000,
Yeah.
what's the price of one football? Try to guess. If the price of two footballs is 5,000, what's the price of one football?
2.5.
Exactly. It's 2,500, right?
Yes.
Great. So here we asked ourselves, Adam, what's the number you multiplied
Yes.
by 2 to get 5,000? You did it in your mind, right?
Yes.
So we guessed that it's 2,500.
Oh, okay. I
Okay.
understand.
And now
Yeah.
what's the price of 5 footballs? You also multiply it by
Yes.
2,500.
By
And the
200.
total, exactly. That's what we did.
Okay,
We
yeah.
tried to guess what's the number. You multiply it by 2 to get 5,000, and then we multiplied the other numbers by the same number.
Okay, I
Okay.
understand.
Good, great. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. So I re-explained this. Let us continue now for the other. Anyone wants to talk? Wait, I think someone raised their hand. Hala Safiuddin. Hala or Leah? Leah, are you listening to me?
Yes.
What's your question?
ما فهمت السؤال إنه كيف عرفتي 250 وليه كلهم
1,500 you mean?
2500
Okay.
وليه كلهم 2500
Okay. Look. If you have 5,000 in your pocket, okay, and you paid for 2 footballs 5,000, what do you think the price of one ball?
2.5
Not 2.5, it's 2,500. You are using money, right? You are using money. You paid 5,000 for 2 balls. So what's the price of one ball?
2500
Exactly. That's how we guess the number. It's only using money, you know?
Okay.
Okay, so starting from now on, the proportionality coefficient of this table is 2,500. Okay?
هلا فهمت إذا نستعمل المرة اللبناني 5000
Exactly. That's it. Great. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, so let us go for another exercise. Okay, this is very important. Please, if you have any question on this, you have to ask me right now. Okay, I will put it. Guys, do you have any question? Yes, Malak. I will give you Malak. Malak, you raised your hand. Yes, dear. Malak, are you listening to me?
Yes, Miss Manan.
Dear.
Miss Manan, yesterday in the video when I watched it, this question I didn't understand it.
You mean this one here that I opened right now?
Yes.
Okay. So Malak, it's very important to know. Look at the table. Okay, I'm missing a value. What do you do in order to find this value? Can you see those two that are facing each other, 25 and 81?
Yes.
You have to multiply them and then divide by the number which is alone.
Yes.
Okay? Let us look at the
Yes.
second exercise here. Wait, what do you have here? You have 3.5, 5,
Here we
and
have
2. And I'm missing this number. How do I do this?
3.5 times 2
Divided by 5. Exactly, that's it.
over 5.
And you do it normally
Okay.
as we learned how to do the multiplication and the dividing fraction, you know?
Okay.
Great. Please, anyone who didn't understand this exercise, you have to tell me because it's very important. So if you have any question, Dalal, what's your question? Dalal, you can talk now.
Miss,
What's your
you
question?
said you have to divide.
I said what?
You said you have to divide.
You multiply
Can we
those
also
that are
multiply
facing
because
each other. Dalal, listen. You multiply those that are facing each other, then you divide it by the number. Okay? So as you see in this fraction, 3.5 times 2 over 5. But before you multiply or divide, you should simplify. You still remember this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so first you have to multiply, then divide, put them on the fraction, on a big line of fraction, then try to simplify as we did in the second one. Okay, Yalla, Noura.
Oh.
Noura, I want to listen to you. Yes, Noura.
Miss, I didn't understand this question as well.
Did you listen right now when I re-explained it? Noura, pay attention.
Yes.
I will re-explain it, but please, you have to pay attention, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Noura. So, we multiply those that are facing each other, then divide it by the number on this side. So 3.5 times 2 over 5. And you know, we already learned before in the fractions that you have to simplify before you multiply. Okay? So I wish you all got it. Let me now continue. So after that, we talked about percentages. I think percentage is very easy. Let us see if someone have any question about percentages. Anyone have any question about the percentages? It's very easy, right? So when I say, let us look at the rule. So when I say 20%, it's 20 over 100. So it's 20 out of 100 to get the 20%. So the word percent means 100, okay? So if you have any question, okay, so 20% is 20 over 100. Okay, now I will ask you questions. And you have to answer quickly. Okay? I will unmute you, but try to be guys. Okay, I'm going to unmute you and I'm going to ask you questions. Okay? Guys? It's not going to work out. There's a lot of noise. So you have to write the question, the answer for me. Okay? What's 1/2? What's 1/2 as a percentage? Let me see if you are going to know it. What's 1/2 as a percentage? I'm waiting your answers. What's 1/2 as a percentage? Any question? Guys, what's 1/2 as a percentage? Very good, very good. Laris and Hassan, excellent. What's so 1/2 is 50%. What's ready? What's 3/4 as a percentage? Very good, Hassan. It's 75%. What's excellent, excellent. I'll try to unmute you, but there is a lot of noise.
Miss Manal,
Yes.
Miss Manal, I don't know where to comment in
Okay.
room.
Okay. It's okay. Tab, now tell me what's 1/4.
25/100.
Very good. So it's 25%. Excellent, all of you. Huda, Hala, I can see you all. Okay. You can talk, by the way. I unmuted you. So what's 2/5? What's 2/5?
40/100.
Very good.
40.
40. Very good.
40.
Very good, Michael. Noura, everyone. Very good. What's 1?
10/100.
10%. What's 1? Very good, Huda. What's 10%? What's 1? Sorry, what's 1? What's 1? Represent
100.
Very good. It's 100. So 1 is 100%. Now what's 1/5?
20%.
Very good. Very good, Laris. It's 20%. Excellent, all of you.
مش عم
Yes.
بفهم كيف عم بيعرفوا الجوابات.
Okay. Okay, Leia. Suppose you want to know 1/2. Okay? Leia, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Suppose you want to know 1/2. How do you make 1/2 as a denominator of 100?
Okay.
No, answer me. I will put the PowerPoint for you. Never mind. Wait. Okay. Leia, can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So 1/2. If you want to make it as a denominator of 100, what do you do?
1/2.
Yes.
100/20.
No, pay attention. How do you make the denominator, which is 2, 100? How do you make the 2 100?
10/50.
Do you multiply by?
50.
Leia, are you talking?
Yes.
What do you multiply the 2 by to get a denominator of 100?
No. لا.
Leia, you have to answer me, okay? Think well. I have 2 and I need to make it 100. How do I do this? Times what? Leia? Leia? Leia, anyway, it's 2 times 50, okay? So when I do times 50, I will get 50/100, okay? So 50/100, it's 50%. Okay, so it's only about equivalent fractions and how do you do them of a denominator 100, okay? Let us go back. So the percentage is clear for you, right, guys? Any question?
No.
Great.
No.
So what's left is what? The scale. Who did the scale? The house. Who did the scale of the house? Anyone of you did it?
Yes.
Okay, I have to see it. You have to send it for me, okay?
بس آية واحدة.
Did you watch the video?
Yes.
Dalal, did you watch the video?
Yes.
How did I end the video?
By the scale.
What did I say? What did I say about the scale? What do you have to do?
You have to do it.
Which one?
To draw it.
Which one?
ال
It is big and we must draw it smaller.
The house.
0.5.
The house.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to do it, and I have to see it. Okay.
Okay.
Let us talk about the worksheet. How did you find the worksheet?
Easy.
Very easy. I'm going only to solve one exercise, okay? Or 1 to 2 exercise, as much as we have time. Let us solve. I will put the worksheet. Can you see now?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This is the first question in the worksheet. How can I solve this? How can I find 47% of 100? How do I do this?
We draw a big line of fraction.
I can't hear anything.
A big line of fraction. Very good. A big line of fraction.
47.
Okay, first of all, 2 participants raise hands. Let us see. Who wants to say something, guys? No, I didn't mute anyone. All of you are unmuted. If you are unmuted, then it's from your side, okay? I unmuted everyone. Who wants to talk, Fatima? 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 Can you listen to me?
Miss, I didn't understand.
Wait, I need to hear Fatima. Yes, Fatima, what's your question?
Use rulers or
Fatima? Fatima, I can hear you.
In the scale, we need to use the rulers or set squares.
Look, sometimes yes, you might need the ruler. Why? Because if you have a curved line and it's not straight, it's a curved line, you have to take its real measure in order to do it half. So I prefer if you use the ruler, yes. Okay? And you know how to use the ruler and how to divide the numbers, right?
Yes.
Great. Any other question, Fatima? Is everything going good with you?
Yes.
Go. Okay. I need to hear now Leah. She raised her hand. Yes, Leah, I can hear you.
Miss, ما فهمت أنا هالسؤال. Calculate the following percentage.
Okay. Look. First of all, Leah, what's the meaning of 47%?
47%. يعني 47% over 100.
47 out of 100. Is that correct?
Yes.
So instead of having 47%, I'm going to represent it as a fraction, which is 47 over 100. Do you agree?
Okay.
Look what will happen. So 47%, it's 47 over 100. And you know that the word of means?
Times 100.
Very good. And now what do we do, Leah? How do I continue? A big line of?
Fraction.
Very good. So a big line of fraction like this. And then you simplify. I'm going to simplify the 100 by 100. And what's left is 47. Did you get it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Great. Let us see if anyone else have any question. Anyone else have any question? I didn't understand because I didn't watch the video. Interesting. Hassan, you know that you have to watch the video, then solve the worksheet, then you come to the live Zoom, sorry, to discuss. Okay? Anyone else have any question about how to find the percentages in this question? I would check if you have any question. Adam Hayek. Okay. Adam Hayek. I will wait. Unmute. Yes, Adam. Adam?
I didn't understand this question, that we are solving now.
Okay. Okay, Adam. When I say 25%, what does that mean? What's the meaning of the word 25%?
2/5?
No, 25 over 100. Adam, when I say 25%, the word percent means out of 100. So for example, when I say 100% pass the exam, I mean all the students, they pass the exam. So 100 out of 100, they pass the exam. Okay? So when I say 25%, I mean 25 out of 100.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's represented as 25 over 100 as you see. Look, I'm going to solve it with you, okay?
Yes.
25 over 100. And the word of means times, right?
Yes.
Times what? Times 60 as given.
60.
Okay, and now how
Yes.
do I continue?
Big line of fraction.
Very good, big line of fraction. After the big line of fraction, what do?
We multiply 25 by 60.
But what do I always advise you?
Divide.
Exactly. Simplify before you multiply. Very good. So I'm going to simplify. After simplifying, you do it several times, of course, you're going to get 15.
Yes.
Okay, did you get
Miss,
it now?
last question. We don't have volume 2. Yesterday I watched a video.
Yes,
that
but
because
before we entered the vacation, we couldn't give you the books.
Yes.
Because we didn't need it, right? But what I'm doing now, Adam,
Yes.
is I'm picking out all the activities and I'm trying to explain your lesson throughout the activities. And the problems, I'm putting them in the worksheet. So everything needed in the book, I'm putting it for you, okay? So no need for the book. Because all the exercises now are found in the worksheet and all the explanations are found in the PowerPoint right now.
يعني the homework that you gave us yesterday, the activity.
It's from the book.
The video. Oh, okay.
Both of them
it's in
are
the
from
worksheet.
the book. Yes. The explanation as a PowerPoint and the exercises as a worksheet for you to do. So as if we are solving the book.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yes.
That's great. Guys, anyone have any question on this lesson? Of course you can solve the worksheet on a paper. Of course you can do this. Okay, I'm going now to unmute you. So if you have any question, you can ask me, okay?
هي رجعت شرحته لواحد تاني.
Guys, do you have any question?
بس كتير سهل هيدا الدرس.
Great.
No.